What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are all doing great out there today. Hope everyone had a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, whatever you celebrate, I hope it was fun. Hope you had a good time with your family. And that being said, let's talk about yield nodes. So we haven't done a video on yield nodes in a while, so it was time. And the reason I'm talking about yield nodes is because they actually put out an update yesterday. They sent out an email to all the people involved in this project. And they let everyone know that they actually did a payout. So this payout that they sent out, it was 5% for the quarter, which is what they're doing all throughout 2023 also. So every quarter, they're doing 5%, which is the minimum payout. But that's still 20% a year, and we're still getting paid out. Now, this is what I ended up getting. So 161.40 based off of what my balance is in here right now. So you should see yours based off of your balance as well. Now, while this isn't the biggest chunk of cash in the world, it's still nice to see some positive results, especially in the beginning of the new year and still in a bear market with everything down and everyone's still a little panicked and freaking out over everything. So it's nice to see a positive thing come about here. Now, again, throughout 2023, they're going to be doing these 5% payouts every quarter. And then I believe, I have to go double check everything, but I believe it's late 2023, Q4 of 2023, we should be able to start claiming some of this out again and sending this out to our own self-hosted wallets and things like that. But as of this time, you still can't pull and withdraw any of this money out of here. Now, as 2023 progresses, they're going to be rolling out their Yield Nodes Pro, which, it's a wait and see to see how that all works out. But, it's nice to see that these guys are still pushing and still putting out positive things. They're still putting out, not podcasts, but like just little updates every week. And that's nice to see. I love seeing that kind of update. It's something that, when a project has gone through a downtrend and had some issues, it's good to see that the owners and the creators are active in getting information out and keeping everyone calm. So it's nice to see that. So we'll see how that progresses throughout the year. Now, one thing to show you guys here on the front homepage of Yield Nodes, you can now see they always put the news out. And just a month ago, they did put out their roadmap for what's going on going forward. So, it's good to come in and check some news from time to time, see what's going on with yield nodes, and you'll be able to see as they progress through the roadmap. So they got a lot of plans going forward, and you can already see that they've got all this stuff to come out. And the plan is to get Yield Nodes Pro launched, which has all of their real world assets and all that in there. So make sure you can go through and read all about that on here. So they cover it in pretty much pretty good detail here. You can look through all the graphs and charts and see what they're going to do. So anyway, guys, just wanted to put this message out today and just kind of show you that I got a payout, because I did tell you I'd keep you updated on how I progress through this project. And that's where I'm at. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Let me know if you had a good New Year, good holiday season. And let me know what you think of yield nodes going forward. And you guys have an awesome day. I've got more videos to come, and I'm going to keep pumping these out. See ya.